Is your financial routine feeling a little stuck? You know, like when you're trying to update a subscription but it keeps defaulting to that old credit card you barely use anymore? Or perhaps you've recently upgraded your card and want to make sure all your essential services, especially something as crucial as your Neon account, reflect the correct payment information. If you've been wondering, how do I change my credit card on Neon, then you're in the right place. We've all been there. The frustration of an expired card, the slight panic when a payment is declined, or simply the desire for better financial organization. For many of us, Neon is more than just a banking app, it's a central hub for managing our daily finances. And keeping your payment details current within the app is absolutely essential for seamless transactions, timely payments, and uninterrupted access to all of Neon's features. A mismatch in your payment information can lead to failed transfers, issues with direct debits, and even temporary account limitations, things nobody wants to deal with. So, why is updating your credit card on Neon so important? Beyond avoiding those pesky payment failures, it ensures the integrity of your financial data within the app. Imagine setting up automated payments or recurring transfers. If the underlying payment method is outdated, these critical functions can falter. Moreover, maintaining accurate payment details contributes to the overall security of your account. Neon, like any reputable financial institution, relies on precise information to verify transactions and protect you from fraudulent activities. Keeping your details up to date helps them do their job effectively, which in turn protects your money. Now, let's get down to the practical steps. Changing your credit card on Neon is a straightforward process, designed for user convenience. First, you'll want to open your Neon app. Make sure you're using the latest version to ensure you have access to all the current features and security updates. Once logged in, navigate to the Profile or Settings section. This is typically represented by an icon of a person or gear. Within this section, you're looking for an option related to payment methods, cards, or bank details. The exact wording might vary slightly depending on the app's current interface, but it will be intuitively named. Tap on the Payment Methods option. Here, you'll likely see your currently linked credit or debit cards. To add a new card, look for a button that says Add New Card, Link New Card, or a similar prompt, often accompanied by a plus sign. You will then be prompted to enter the details of your new credit card, the card number, the expiration date, and the CVV, the 3 or 4-digit security code on the back of your card. Double-check these details carefully to avoid any errors. After entering the information, you will typically be asked to confirm the addition of the new card. Neon may also initiate a small, temporary authorization charge to verify the card's validity, which will be refunded shortly. Once confirmed, your new credit card will be linked to your Neon account, and you can then set it as your primary payment method if you wish, or simply keep it as an option for future transactions. It's that simple. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.